What's up guys, so Techtuber is about to kick off and we have some very interesting news regarding Apple. This year Apple is about to launch their iPhone 12 lineup in the month of October, and we have the final naming of what the iPhone 12 lineup will be called. So the top of the line 6.7-inch iPhone will be called as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Down we have a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, then another 6.1-inch that will be called iPhone 12, and then the smallest, the compact iPhone at 5.4 inches will be called as the iPhone 12 mini. Yes, the mini is indeed the name of the smallest and compact iPhone, and it's not just the compact iPhone but the compact smartphone in the market. And despite having a so small size, even smaller than iPhone SE 2020, Apple will be packing all the flagship essentials in this smallest iPhone. Now Apple has also been working on Apple B14 kind of mid-range type of processor, and there were also rumors that Apple could also use the Apple B14 mid-range processor in the iPhone 12 mini, but this is not true. The iPhone 12 mini will indeed be rocking a flagship A14 chipset like their high-end iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, while the Apple B14 processor could be seen inside next year's iPhone SE, which could be called as the iPhone SE Plus or iPhone SE 3. Also, we have the news regarding the launch time frame of Apple's iPhone 12 series. According to the information coming from a CEO of mobile operator in the UK, the iPhone 12 is just few days away from its official announcement, and it's gonna pack the fastest 5G speeds. Mac rumors have further reported that the iPhone 12 lineup might get announced on October 30th. That could be the day when Apple will unveil their next flagship devices. This is the same day that John Prosser has predicted, October 13th for the event. 16th October will be the pre-orders date, with the devices coming in stores on October 23rd. Apple will not just be unveiling the iPhone 12 there, but will also launch the Apple AirPower there, Apple AirTags, and Apple AirPod Studio. So yeah, that is all. The compact iPhone, the 5.4-inch model, will be called as the iPhone 12 mini. And here are the pricing for all the iPhone 12 models: $699 for the mini, $749 for the iPhone 12, $999 for the iPhone 12 Pro, and $1,100 for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let me know, will you buy this mini variant? Wanna hear your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.